Before I start this video, I want to highlight that this information can be used for anybody, men, women, children, but I want to highlight the vulnerabilities that women face out there in public. So when you're going from your car to your house, from your house to your car, when you're out in the store, when you're out and about, there's a lot of things that I feel that we're all oblivious to, and it really affects women. It really affects women and their vulnerabilities. And we all know that there are vulnerabilities for all of us, but I'm highlighting women vulnerabilities in this video. We're starting in here, but we're going outside. Let's go. Prior to you even leaving out of your house, have your key ready for your car. You don't want to be spending time having your head down, fondling your keys. That takes too much time and that takes too much attention away from your surroundings, okay? So have keys in hand. Don't be fondling your keys when you're at your car. Have it ready. Now, what I like about a lot of these newer models coming out is that they have this push to open your car, so it kind of eliminates that time of you fondling your keys. So it's kind of a convenience thing, but it's also a safety thing in my opinion too. Before you even get into your car, let me show you something, a little tip. So take a glance in your back seat if your windows aren't tinted or not. I can't tell if you guys could see that, but yeah, take a glance in your back seat before you step into your car. It just kind of eliminates any paranoias, but also you never know if somebody picked your lock and they're just chilling in the back of your seat. That's kind of spooky, right? But it's the reality of things and something you need to check. Mainly tell people that if they're out in a grocery store or something, somewhere that's more public, you don't really have to worry about that too much if you're going from your house on out, but really that's mainly for if you're out and about in public, take a glance in the back. But if you do sit into your car, don't forget to take a glance back either. I've made that a habit, even myself, of every time I get into my car, I have this habit of looking in the back of my seat, just in case, just because, I don't know, I'm paranoid. But I've seen too many occasions where people get into their car and there's somebody just chilling in their back seat, and then boom, put a gun up to their head, whatever, a weapon up to their head, and you're like, go. And now you're gone, you know? And I've seen that too many times, and so you need to try to eliminate that as much as possible, just by being aware. With that same stroke of you looking in the back of your car, you should be locking your car door. Let's say you just got out of work, it's late, it's dark outside, and you're about to get outside your car. Make sure you are looking outside all of your rear views before you step outside your car. You want to be able to see everything prior to you getting out, because again, you just don't know. You don't know if somebody's walking up along your car prior to you getting out. So you want to be able to know these things. Look at every direction and make sure nobody is trying to sneak up on you, okay? So same deal when you're exiting your house and when you're exiting your car. Have your house keys ready so that when you're at your door, you're not fondling your keys. You have everything ready, all ready, just so you can bloop bloop, go right into your door. You don't want to be spending any extra time, any more time than you have to be. Next thing I'm about to show you guys is, it's so important, and I see this mistake being made probably every time I'm in public, okay? See what I'm doing here? Let's say if I'm grabbing my jacket, let's say if I'm grabbing groceries and my back is towards the street like this. I cannot see anything behind me. There could literally be somebody sneaking up on me right now as we speak, and I would have no clue. So when you get into your car, when you're grabbing things, make sure you are sitting your butt to the seat and you are grabbing things, and you are grabbing the things you need, because then you can still be aware. Yes, it does take a little more effort and it's not as convenient, but I'd rather you have a little more effort, a little less convenience, and you make it home safely. You make it into your car safely. So please, please do not have your ass sticking out of your car and you can't see your surroundings. Gotta be smart. One more thing I'd like to mention before wrapping everything up into one big bundle is if you're out in the store, if you're out and about in public, make sure that you don't have both of your headphones in and you can't hear your surroundings. I've also talked to people who said that, you know, they go shopping with their headphones in, and I asked them, like, can you hear your surroundings? And a lot of them have said no. And that's extremely important, not just for your individual safety, but for everyone else's as well. You need to know what's going on in your surroundings. And so please don't have your headphones blasting in your ears to where you can't hear what's going on around you. You don't know if something's happening in the next aisle beside you. You don't know if something's happening in the front of the store, in the back of the store. You know, if you're not paying attention, shoot, you wouldn't even know what's going on right next to you. So that's very important. So to finish this video off, I'm going to kind of do a little reenactment to kind of show you how everything should flow when you're exiting your house, when you're entering your car, and vice versa. Just so you can kind of get a smooth transition of what exactly I'm talking about and why it's important. Alright y'all, that is the end of today's video. I hope this helped you. I hope this helped bring some awareness to you guys. Again, this is extremely important for everyone. Literally everyone should be using these tips and these tactics to be moving inside and outside of where they're going. It's extremely important that we keep safety in mind 24/7, because these things can always happen to you at any point. You know, you are not special. You know, a lot of people think that, oh, that won't happen to me, that won't happen to me, and those are the same people that unfortunately it ends up happening to. And so be aware and stay safe, stay dangerous, my friends. Peace.